Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super usual topic, how to recall an email in Microsoft Outlook. So if you have ever sent an email and immediately regretted, this video is for you. So let's jump in and check out how to recall any email message from Outlook. First thing required is to open your Outlook. This is my Outlook. Now go to your sent items folder here and choose the email message that you want to recall. Double click it. Once you have double click, it will open in a new window. Now under this message, locate this action, click on this action, and here you will see recall this message. Select recall this message. A message pop-up will come up, like some recipients may have already read this message. Message recall can delete or replace copies of this message in recipient inboxes if they have not yet read this message. So are you sure you want to delete 100 copies of this message? And another option, delete 100 copies and replace with a new message. And also if you want an acknowledgement, you can check this box to tell me if recall succeeds or failed for each receipt. Hit OK. Please remember that email recall works best when both of you and recipient are using Microsoft Exchange accounts, and act fast. If the recipient has already read the email, the recall might not work. Also, if the recipient have moved the email to a different folder, then it won't be recalled. So I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. Bye bye and take care.